Hey there, it's the next day and ta-da! Today we're embarking on a different type of experience from what we've had yesterday, from the, I don't know, kind of roaming type of journey yesterday. We just gonna walk inside and have a lot of fun watching the sea life creatures. So, come on in. At the penguins enclosure, some of them are quiet, the others are resting, like the ones in front of me. They really don't seem to be bothered by any filming. Others are about to jump in. And here it comes. They're lovely anyway. Hi. There's some interesting information you might want to know about the penguins. Alrighty. And moving on to coastal waters. World, both for the big ones and the little ones. Just look at this fish. They're nothing like anything I've seen before, and yeah, both in size and looks. Oh my goodness, look at this one. It's got some kind of horns coming out of its eyes, looking a little like a snail. And look at its mouth. It looks kind of like a veal swan. I don't know. And the tail. Oh my goodness. The rest of them are more normal. Cardinal fish. Kind of quiet. And now a bit of view from above and going through the tunnel. Let's see the adventure that awaits us at the top. I really love the awareness kind of job that they are doing in this kind of centers to help preserve and also to just help the endangered species around the world, and that's awesome. Hats off. Meanwhile, what is going on here? Gotta see this. There was some big head coming out of the water. That's a fire, so I need a knife. Can you see it? There's a fin. Like the surface of the water. It also looks like there's something huge in there that I can't really grasp And pretty friendly, if you ask me, since they're getting close to the window, to the glass. Yeah. What a quiet world. It's there inside. About the sea bass, actually one of our favorite type of fish that we like to eat whenever we have a chance, because they're so sweet and tasty and quite nutritious meat. And all the kinds of notices you get from place to place. Please don't touch us, it hurts. Yeah, that's true. You need to be really mindful and careful about where you're moving and turning and yeah. We are family. Raised apart from sharks and are closely related, they're a lot flatter though and have special pectoral fins like a pair of underwater wings. And finally, we've gotten to the turtles messing about. Hey, check this out. Aren't they pretty? They're so sweet. I love them. Now it's the shark. A sea star, a starfish, has just gone by. Finally, we have come to the turtle. Wow. Hey, dude. How's it going? You're quite lazy today. You aren't getting up to anything, are you? You're so beautiful. Plus the sharks staying close together And around the corner, let's see, we're safeguarding zebra sharks. Okay. I love this slogan of making waves. Like, but we can make them by ourselves. We need help. So they're calling for more help, support, and action from everybody around, from the entire community.